Yo guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel, and today I have Megumin from Konosuba. Yep, I saw this, she looked adorable, so I went ahead and got her. Well, yeah, that's the box art, here's the top, and here's the bottom. And let's go unbox her. Cool, she is out of her box. And assembly isn't too difficult. Just gotta have to put her foot down onto the pegs on her base. Let me push her in. Alright, and the figure also has the support right here. Goes on the base and it's propped up onto her hat. Like that. Well, there you go. Alright, let's go for some close-ups, and holy heck, is she adorable. Look at that. Yep, Kadokawa did a fantastic job making this figure. I really love the face. She's just so cute. It's an overload of cuteness. Yep, paint's pretty good. I like how they made that the sphere in her staff all metallic. The base is alright. Yeah, so far there's really nothing bad about this figure. It has a really good pose. Painting's really good. The sculpt is good. Her hair. Yep. Detail is all there. And there's where it gets supported, under the hat. Yeah, there's really like nothing wrong with this. Right there, found one. It's painted purple where it's supposed to be yellow, but you know, I can overlook that because overall this figure's amazing. Yeah, well, that's Megumin, guys. Amazing figure. Alright guys, that's the end of this video. If you want this figure, I'm pretty sure you can still order it from AmiAmi. I like it a lot better than my Belfine figure of Megumin. And I also think there's another one coming out, like this year, supposedly. Well, anyways, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you liked it, like, subscribe, and yeah, I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye.